So our Link with Duty Mag carrier is a Duty Mag setup. It's designed to run on a Velcro inner and outer belt. You can see this is a 1.5-inch outer belt with Velcro lining to attach to an inner trouser belt. And the way you adjust this is these 4 holes adjust you for belt size, and then these 3 screws and washers adjust you for cant. So when you're first setting up your belt, I recommend you slightly loosen these screws, so with some effort you can tip the carrier, and then just loosely bolt it onto your belt, adjust your cant, and then from there you'll have to remove it from your belt to fully tighten these screws, and you should Loctite them, and then you can do the final assembly on your belt. The way you tighten up on the belt to reduce the ability of the carrier to slide is as you move the screw post up and down these holes, you will also shift this rubber bushing. And right now our smallest hole is sized for 1.5 belts. I'm going to lay my 1.5 belt in there, and you'll see that once I fold the carrier, the Link EQ around it, that I basically line up hole to hole, and then I'm going to put in my first screw and just loosely tighten it, then put in my second screw. And when these screws are loose, you'll see that the carrier can slide. As I tighten these screws, this bushing is going to spread out sideways and press up on the underside edge and pull the top of this hinge down on the edge of the belt, and that will take out all the slack and prevent the carrier from sliding. So once I snug those screws down a little bit more, it isn't sliding anywhere. That's how you put on and adjust your Link EQ with our new Duty Mag carrier. Thanks for watching.